Hello, everybody. Today we're going to find out how to do your daily inquiries in the morning before you leave the house, or however often you want to do it. It only updates once a day, usually in the very early morning, 5 to 5:30 a.m. is what I've seen happen. So you want to open up your browser and go to your Microsoft Power BI. I've created a shortcut on my desktop right here, so I can just tap on that and it'll take me directly to that website, powerbi@microsoft.com. If you want to create a tile like that, you want to hit that circle, square with an arrow coming out of it, and then you scroll down, add to home screen. So tap that, and it'll give you a shortcut right on your home screen. It'll look like that. So go ahead and tap on that, and it should take you right to here. Sign in. You'll have to enter your password and do your two-factor authentication if you haven't signed in. I have today, so it should take me right to where I want to go. And since your inquiries are sorted by salesman number, they put it in the commissions report section. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure you do not open the app up here, because that won't give you what you need. It only works on the website application. All the salesmen and salesman numbers are over here. You'll see on the bottom there's an inquiry square or rectangle that's not, it's grayed out. So what you want to do is find your information. You'll have to pick each salesman number individually, so if you have a multiple salesman number, you've got to pick which one you're going to be looking for. So we'll scroll down to mine, and specifically click on the number portion, not the name. If you've done it correctly, you see the inquiry button has come to life on the bottom here. So that's the one you want to click onto. Then it'll bring you to this. So your inquiry type, you can actually have all of them. So your .coms, your inside sales, all these things. If you unclick, it'll default to all of them. So you get your .coms, you get your computer, customer service, internet inquiries, you'll get everything. So we'll leave it all for now. And you can do the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever you prefer. I'll go ahead and change this to 2 weeks. Hit the return button. And on the weeks section, you can also go to months, days, even years. I think it goes back at least a year is what I've seen. At this point, you want to get this data somewhere where you can take a look at it and do what you need to do. So what we want to do is on this line right here, if you click on this area right here, you should get the 3 dots. Sometimes it'll be slightly hidden, but you want to click on the 3 dots. It'll give you these options, and we want to export it to Excel or numbers, whatever you have set up. And it's going to give you a couple options here: data with current layout and summarized data. I like the summarized data because it allows you to sort each column without too much trouble. It's pretty easy. So we'll select that one. And down here at the bottom, there's a yellow export button. Click on that. And you do not want to view it. You want to go ahead and download it. So click the download. Successful export. And if you look at the top right here, it'll let you know that it's downloaded when it bounces like that. So it's complete. We go ahead and click on it. It's going to give us the last one you did, which is one we just did. Tap on that. And it'll open it up in Excel. Now, some of the columns that'll pop up will have lots of hashtags in it, and it's hard to see, so all you have to do is take those columns and spread them out. It's like this one right here, column D. Tap on that, hit the little hashtag on or 2 lines here, just spread that column out a little bit, and you'll get the inquiry dates. There's all kinds here. So you just got to work and spread these columns out to see what the information inside of them. Ship to name, product type. So it's kind of cool because you can look up 4R75Ws and see how many inquiries you have. Probably the more important one for what we're doing here is your ship to city. And if you hit the little white down arrow right here, it'll sort it to you from A to Z, Z to A, and that way, if I'm going to be in Lexington all day, I want to make sure I see these three shops, what they call it in on. Maybe I'll change up my presentation for whatever I was planning from last time call to whatever this product is, because we're going to strike while the iron is hot. Some of us older guys can't see very well, so up here, this triangle, you can tap that. It'll light up the whole field, and you go up here to the text size, and you can change it to something a little bit better. You could even put it bold. If you want to make it look like the old sales, legacy sales inquiries, you can certainly do that. Turn them all red. And you can also delete these columns that have nothing in them. These .coms won't have anything in them. And that's about it. Any questions, give me a buzz. I will be happy to answer any questions you have.